Hey you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we are adding fractions with like denominators. It's our first day. We'll do another day tomorrow. Today we're going to accurately add these fractions with like denominators. First thing we got to do is review our vocabulary. What is a fraction, you guys? You guys are amazing. You're right. It's used to describe one or more part of a whole that is divided into equal parts. What is a numerator, you guys? Yes, yes, yes. I'm so proud of you. You guys are right. It is the top number of the fraction that describes how many pieces of the whole you have. So what does that make our denominator, you guys? Yes, I'm so proud. You guys are reviewing these vocabulary and understanding them. You're right. The denominator is the bottom number of the fraction that describes how many pieces make the entire whole. Great job. So while we are adding fractions with like denominators, you add up the numerators. Please realize you do not add the denominators. No, no, no. That would change your whole. And then simplify if needed. Note, simplifying means to put a fraction into its smallest form. This is the reason we need to know what was prime and composite, the smallest. The only way to simplify is to divide the numerator and denominator by a fraction that equals 1. So most common values of fractions that are used is 2 over 2, which is 1, 3 over 3, which equals 1, and 5 over 5. They all equal 1. You know a fraction is in its simplest form when the numerator and denominator have no common factors, -1, and or both the numerators and denominators are prime. So here's our model problem, you guys. We have got, let me pull this up, 1/8 plus 5/8. So step 1, add the numerators. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now we put it into our fraction, simplify. We put the 6 over 8, and look at we're using the slash. We're going to divide 2 over 2 because both of them are even. When we do that, 2 times what number gives me 6 is 3. Great job. And 2 times what number gives me 8? 4. If you look at the notebook down here, we kind of did it so that you could do individuals. It works. So our answer is 3/4. So let's do one together. 1/6 plus 3/6. So the first thing I'm going to do is do 1 plus 3, which equals, amazing, you guys. So I'm going to do 4 over 6, and I'm going to go ahead and come right up here. I don't have the division sign right handy. I'm going to go Control C because I need to divide, and then Control V, and then I'm going to divide 2 over 2 because I know both of those numbers are even. So 2 times what number gives me 4? Amazing, it is 2. And then I put my division sign or fraction sign. 2 times what number gives me 6, you guys? Amazing, 3. So what is my answer? You're right, 2/3. Let's do one more just in case. We have 1/10 plus 5/10. So the first thing I do is, yes, you add your numerator. So we have 1 plus 5, which equals 6, you guys. And then I put that 6. Do I put it over 5? No, I put it over 1. Oh, you guys are right. You're right. You're right. I put it over 10, you guys. Here we go. Now I'm going to put my division sign. Oops, I got to do Control V. And then, are they both even? Yes. So I'm going to do 2 over 2. And 2 times what number gives me 6? You're right, 3. And 2 times what number gives me 10? I know it, it's 3 again. Ah, thank you for correcting me, you guys. You're right, it is 5. So my answer for this one is 3/5. This is fractions, and it's our first part of fractions. We're learning to add and make sure we do not add our denominator. We never add our denominator, so we always try to make sure we have a like denominator whenever we are adding. So if we have unlike denominators, that'll be another video, but we need to make sure they're like. So now that we have this, it is your turn. Please complete these problems. And remember, as you're completing them, have fun. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.